Welcome! In this video, I will explain the first educational method adopted by the BEnglish platform, which is the recorded courses. Go to the Recorded Courses section. Choose the recorded course you want. Read the course description carefully. From here, you can listen to the introductory presentation of the course instructor. You can access the course units by clicking this button. The course has been divided into units, and the units have been divided into lessons. Each lesson will include educational material along with an accompanying exercise for each lesson to reinforce your understanding of the material. Start your study process in order and do not jump between lessons randomly. Listen to the entire video. Then move on to its exercise. Listen to the next video completely. Then solve its exercises. Here, we have transitioned to the first unit test. Work on studying all the units in the same way. Make sure to attend all lessons and complete all exercises and tests by having a green checkmark appear next to them. After that, the final exam for the educational course will appear for you. Enter it by clicking here. Read the conditions carefully, then click the Agree button. Answer the questions with full focus and skip the difficult questions. Don't forget the timer at the bottom of the page. After that, the final score for the test will appear. If you pass, you will receive a certified certificate provided by BEnglish. You can view it by clicking on it here. Or by going to the My Certificates section found in the personal page icon. In the end, go back to the personal page and click on the My Courses button to ensure the course has moved to the completed section. Goodbye.